guys, it's me from the Unicorn Slime Kit. Okay, today I'm here with my dog and I'm going to show you how to make 2 different kinds of slimes. So let's get into the video. So the first step you want to do is you want to get, so the first slime I'm going to make and show you how to make is, what's it called? It's called a dough slime, and the second one I'm going to make is going to be a poke slime. So the first step you want to do is you want to get your plain flour, or just any flour you like, and you want to pour a bunch on the table. So I'm just going to keep pouring. Depends how much slime you want. I want a lot, so I'm just going to pour a lot on. So as you can see, let me just turn the camera down. As you can see, I have a lot of flour. So you're just going to make like a little well inside it, like this. Not sure if you can see, but just make a little well, like if you're making pancakes, you always make a little well. And then you're going to get your water and pour it inside. Now you're going to get your hands and you're going to go like this. You're going to mix all the water up like this. So if you keep adding water until it turns into dough. Just going to push this. Okay, after all that kneading, I have made it into sort of a dough, like this. It's sort of a dough, but if it's too like soggy and just goes droop like that, like this water, I would add more flour, but if it is too floury, I would add more water. So I'm going to make another well inside, this time a deep one, and I'm going to pour a little bit more water in it, and hopefully that will make my slime. So if you want to color it, the best idea is not to use food coloring because it might get all over your hands. So today I'm actually going to color it blue with some blue acrylic paint. So I've got some blue acrylic paint, as you can see. So I'm going to just get my little spoon and put a heap on. And just knead this through. Just make sure you knead it, otherwise it won't be blue. See, starting to get blue already. I don't want it like a really dark blue, so I'm just going to scoop all of it up. Just keep kneading it until all the blue has gone through. Oops, my glove came off. I would suggest wearing gloves for this bit because it is still a bit sticky. And the bigger you have, the more ingredients you have to add. So I've made a really big one, and I'm trying to make it the color I like. So, just gonna play. Okay, now it has got to my consistency, so I have taken my gloves off, and I'm going to just start kneading up my hands. It still is a bit sticky, but the more you knead it, the better it is. So it's the right consistency. I just think I need to add more flour. So I just scoop lots of flour. Keep doing this. And grab a handful of flour again. So pretty much the mixture is just flour and water and some food colouring or paint if you want. But I totally suggest paint, acrylic paint. I'm using a blue acrylic paint. See, it is pokey, but we haven't finished yet. We still have more to go. I'll roll up my sleeves, and we just need okay, now I've got it to the right consistency, and it has stopped sticking to my hands. It's just a little colouring that I made slime with this morning. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to get just a plastic bag and put some of your slime in it. But before you do that, you have to spray with some oil. Sometimes it does shrink. Okay, I've sprayed it with some oil, and that should be nice and oily. And then you're going to pop it into your plastic bag and leave it for 2 hours. I'm going to pop it in my plastic bag. Okay, I have got a little bit of it, and let's see what it turns out to be like. I have left it for 2 hours. It's nice and oily, and it's stretchable. The more you have, the stretchier it'll be. But once again, thanks. Bye.